How to fix Roblox Memory Dump Error on PC. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. So if you're experiencing the Roblox Memory Dump Error, here are two things that you can try to fix it. First of all, you need to locate your Roblox game. After that, right-click on it and select Properties. And once the Properties window opens, click on the Open File location. In this folder, find Roblox Player Beta, right-click on it, and select Properties. In the Properties window, go to the Compatibility tab. Here, check for the box for Run this program in compatibility mode and select Windows 8 from the drop-down menu. Additionally, check the boxes for Disable Full Screen Optimizations and run this program as an administrator. After making these changes, click on Apply and then OK. Close the Properties window and try launching Roblox Player again. If the issue persists, you can try another method. Open your computer's search function and then type in %local@data% without quotes and then press enter, and this will open your temporary files. Look for the folder named as Roblox, and you may need to type R to find it quickly. And right-click on it and select Roblox folder and delete it. Finally, restart your PC and this should hopefully resolve the error. So I hope this helps. Do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.